The 2015 Toyota Tundra SR5, powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine. With the 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle is well equipped. This Toyota features fog lights, dual front airbags, and power windows. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, air conditioning, and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.